and welcome back to the Velvet Lounge travel session. We are in Boston today. We were looking at law schools for my daughter, and now we are in the Asian market and looking to see what kind of things we want to buy, take home, leave behind. Wow, look at all the fancy cookies and stuff. I don't eat any of this stuff, but it's really interesting. A soft flour cake. Let's see if it's actually soft. Actually, it is. It's kind of soft. And back here, I think these are, yep, all sorts of candies. Are these jellied? Yep, jelly candies. I would want to try hard ones.
Oh, these are so good.
That's funny that you guys found exactly what you're looking for.
I know. Oh, these have prominent flavored ones.
This is so cute. I'd try a hard candy if I tried one. I've seen this high chew before.
Let's try the one let's remember how me and Zach carried them. We only like to the salted calves and meat calves.
Roasted green beans.
Great. And you have just yes.
Yeah, I wonder. Oh, those are peppermint candies. I'm scared, but I might try the peppermint ones. These are clear served like spearmints.
Yeah, gotcha. Up on one of your videos for you buy me a thing of candy. Because you love me, right? Because you're my mom, right?
Here, hold these.
Ooh, wow. Really? Peppermint candy? It's kind of boring.
You'll do one of my videos.
Or I'll film one of them or something for you. But anyway, Mom, you
have Hello Kitty candies.
Something I think you would really like are these. So they have like actual like kiwi seeds in, like they're made with the actual
Oh no,
fruit.
I wouldn't like that.
Oh really?
Oh no. Yeah, I know. Has seeds in it and interrupts my like candy enjoyment. So does like the strawberry and watermelon have like those seeds in it or cantaloupe seeds?
No. It just the biggest thing is it actually tastes like the fruit.
What are these, gummy?
Oh, they are gummies. Yeah, they're gummy. I don't know if you want gummy. There are so many different types.
So far, I believe I might be trying that. But yeah, I got you, girl.
Wait.
Is it candy? Oh.
Oh,
squid is good. Is this all for the candy? They do have other rows of... Rarely. You're going down here. So, if you'd like various dried miniature fish, you can have this. Dried and prepared shredded squid. Yum. That probably is a good snack. Or to add that to soup. I could see you putting that in the soup. Let's go to our favorite section, way in the back. Mustard green. Almond fish. Days, I thought you were with us. Oh. It's not bad, Days. There's like shrimp and stuff. Ooh, look at these tiny little fish. You can eat those as a snack. They're individually wrapped to be eaten as a snack, as a matter of fact. And then you get something normal, like Petrich Farms. These look so old, though. I would never buy these. Look how old these cookies are. Oh my god, look how old they are, though. Look, the discoloration. So that's what you have to be aware of, like, what you're buying.
It's almost like if you come to a
But you know, I like pretty dishes.
Oh, is it? What's that?
I guess it's also hard
Food poisoning people. Days, look at this.
All kinds of chopsticks.
So they're like
Look
the
at these.
baby ones.
Look at these. No.
I like the clear ones as well.
Oh, this is to teach like your little kid how
Yeah,
to eat
those
with
are
chopsticks. You need those.
Baby
Steve.
chopsticks. No, I'm quite good with chopsticks. I wish I knew how much they were. I don't have a lot of money though, but.
Now I say everything over here is $3.99.
I
I said
what I have.
I said I would get you a bag of candy. I'll get you the chopsticks
Oh, yeah.
instead of the candy.
Oh, well. I have to see how much. Oh, I put you.
I'm taking some money out of your bank account and giving it to you. My child is rich, but she's so cheap. My baby's stingy. Ooh, this is my section. Unfortunately, I do like the extra accoutrements to go along with the meal.
So cheap.
Do they have fish sauce? Do you see fish sauce?
I think I saw something. I thought I saw fish. There's veal sauce.
No. But I'm not surprised. Fish sauce is a very... What else?
No, $2.99, good.
$2.99 for what?
For the bag of candy.
I'm probably not getting it.
Are you going to be taking this whole store?
Yeah, why not?
I mean,
Do you see fish sauce out? It's going to be in this aisle.
fish sauce?
Here's sriracha. Look how cheap it is, too.
That's cheap.
Here, we're getting a sriracha. Hold this.
Should I get a basket there?
Probably. We already have that at home, so we don't need any of that. I can't believe I don't see fish sauce in here anywhere. It's really odd. Let's go back. Beginning.
Think about soy sauce.
You guys did not see fish sauce, right?
No.
I'll be in the next row. There's Al just passed me. I think he did that on purpose. What do you guys think? He's gonna eat this dried shrimp skin. Or shrimp shells, whatever. See, this is panko, honey flavored. So if you wanted to use it to make your fish, this doesn't even look like panko though. I wonder if it's like authentic. It's authentic, but what is it made out of? That's too funny. It's almost like I'm following you guys, but I really am not.
I mean, this seems like
I'm looking for the fish sauce, and I saw bottles. I was like, oh my god.
I was like, sesame oil.
Chinese cooking line. I bet there's an entire row of it somewhere. What else? Oh. We're at
funny, it, like,
we're at
smells
one of
like-
our most questionable areas in the store,
First of all, it's actually
the protein area.
Alright, one moment.
It is very questionable. Eh. It smells so bizarre in here. Look at these 100-year-old eggs, unsalted duck eggs. And then over here,
Anything else?
you have various... No, not yet. You can walk with me, though. Al, come on. Look at this meat that's like... It's not even in a plastic container. It's just like wrapped in paper. Do you want a rabbit? Rabbit meat.
Huh.
Some big ass rabbits. What are these rabbits come from? Those rabbits are huge. Oh, this I think is a duck, right? Yeah, duck.
Ow.
We eat duck. And out here, you have preserved eggs. These are supposed to be 100-year-old eggs,
Really?
but they're not really 100 years old. They just call them that. but they are aged. This is where Daisy and I saw some really interesting stuff. Right here, Al. Southern style. Southerners eat this is chicken feet.
Cool.
Southerners eat that all day long. I mean, there's a lot of meat in here that I recognize that we actually would eat, but I would not buy any of the meat here. Why? Because, the scent. I wish you had smell-o-vision. You would understand what I was talking about. Whew. Now we're going to go to where they create shrimp and other types of... See, in here you have some look how huge these catfish are. That catfish did not come from New England. Those are giant catfish. Really inexpensive, $1.99 a pound. Mullet, really good fish to eat, $1.99 a pound. And then you have pomfret, I don't know what that is. Croakers, we have heard of those. Snapper, my favorite fish. Red snapper is my favorite.
Look at this aquarium thing, big fish.
Ooh, are these corgis?
Sold in pond.
Oh, pomfret. Ooh. And they're large. The same thing. Back there is where the lobsters are. Previously, we saw they had a huge table of shrimp over there. Huge. Look. Al, do you want to eat the pollock balls? Lobster roe? Okay, so the sun is kind of overtaking the folks that came with me. Daisy and Becca have completely 100% disappeared. Al just left the area, and I am too, because the scent is so overwhelming. But very interesting. Now we're on the lookout. Al! Where's Percy? It's weird. It's like they repeat the same stuff in other rows of the store. It's almost like a store co-op. Yeah, take a picture, lady. Fish sauce. Vegetarian oyster. I am close. Not sure I can have a vegetarian oyster sauce, but apparently it's possible. I would ask someone. Oh, excuse me. Do you have fish? I know you have fish sauce. That was a dumb question, but where is it?
We have last night chef. Actually, all right there.
Oh, thank you.
The red one's most popular.
Okay, thanks. Prepared fish sauce. 3 for $10? Oh my god, it's so cheap. The only thing is when you're buying out of like the Asian market or any foreign market, sometimes it's hard to tell what you're buying because you want to read the directions. Not the directions, sorry. You want to read the ingredients and you can't because it's written in the language of origin. He said the red one? Is this what he meant? It must be. So, like, buying this, I really... Oh, it says right there, it has anchovy extract, salt, water, fructose, and hydros something, which I don't like that, because I want something all natural.
I don't know what it has to do with what.
Nothing. Okay. So I think we'll forego the fish sauce because I'm not really sure Okay, so this one I would buy. It has supposedly no additives to it. It's simply anchovy extract, salt, sugar. That's it. So I'm going to buy this one instead. Ooh, now I'm getting like, yep, and I want it in a glass bottle. So I'll take this one. Here, Al. So that's the end of our shopping in the Asian market. Actually, I'll go over. Where's Stacey? Did they leave and not tell us? Hopefully not. One section I forgot to show you. The fruits and the veg. I don't know what this is. Looks interesting.
Oh, there they are.
Okay, we're almost done. This is like all the fruits, all the veg. The thing is, I don't know what regulations are on anything that's not packaged in a factory, so I would be aware of buying things, you know, unless I saw them put out. Water chestnuts, lemons, zucchinis, a lot of things you will recognize, obviously. Tons of garlic, cute little peppers, just a little bit of everything. Corn, mushrooms, you name it. So that's the end of our shopping in the Asian market. Thank you for tuning in to the Velvet Lounge with Mary and Al. He's trying to run from me because he doesn't want to be on camera. That's not nice. Watch this. Please remember to subscribe and share and leave a comment. And if you would like to see us on more of our excursions, tell us where you'd like to see us go next.